Today on Amazon FBA, I'm going to ask the age-old question, what is Amazon FBA? Well, simply the answer is fulfilled by Amazon. And what that means is Amazon has a number of fulfillment centers, they are not warehouses, where they store products. They sell them on this big website called Amazon.com, CA, MX, all over the world. There's about 12 or more Amazon sites throughout the world. But anyway, fulfilled by Amazon simply means Amazon will take the product from their website, sell it, ship it to the customer, especially using Prime, which is one-day delivery essentially, free delivery. Well, it's free if you pay $140 a year for your Prime membership, which everybody justifies that with. Movies are great, and you'll get the free shipping. You'll save all the way around, and you can order all kinds of stuff on Amazon, dog food and everything else. But basically, the fulfilled by Amazon means Amazon's a great big shipping company. But Amazon does not come up with the products. Amazon is in business with millions and millions of sellers like me who are third-party sellers. So I know a lot of people out there in the world don't realize that stuff on Amazon doesn't really come from Amazon. There's a caveat: the big brands have vendor central accounts, and Amazon does store it, and Amazon does sell it, and Amazon does take care of the listings, but they do a terrible job at it. So as a third-party seller, which is something I've been doing now for 3 or more years, I create products. I invent them, make them better, put my name, my company, my logo on it, just like Nike does with their shoes, and send them into Amazon, and then Amazon does the heavy lifting. Literally, they take my product from their warehouse, sell it, and send it out, and associated with that, they take a sales fee of 15%, and they take a shipping fee depending on size and weight. But that shipping fee is about half what it costs to ship with the post office or UPS. So simple answer is fulfilled by Amazon simply means Amazon will take my products or your products or anybody's products. Once you create an account, get logged in, and they will sell them on their website and ship them for you. So it makes scaling a business amazing because you don't have to stay up all night long shipping 100 of your brand new widgets. Amazon has hundreds of facilities that can take care of that for you. So in short, fulfilled by Amazon simply means they have a platform that I can send products to, and they will ship them out. Well, thanks for watching.